lovelies, and welcome back to Touched by Heaven. Today we're going to be playing in the Morphe 35O palette, doing some swatches, talking about the different types of formulas inside of this palette. So, if you would like to play with me in this Morphe 35O palette, then keep on watching. Into this video, I do want to remind all of my lovelies that we will be doing a giveaway of this bad boy. 1 week from today, we will pick our winner. All subscribers that subscribe from here until next week will also be entered into our giveaway. You must be subscribed to my channel, drop a couple comments, and like a couple videos. The more active you are on my page, the better your chances of winning. So share, and tell your friends, and you could be the lucky winner. So diving into this palette, you will notice some of the colors. Gosh, that one is just blinding. Some of these colors look similar, but I promise you they are not. The formulas are different. They give different finishes. So let's just dive in to our first formula, which will be a flat matte, which are these three right here. There's also one right here, here, and here. Now, I will be swatching these. Let's just talk about the different formulas that we have in this palette. We have flat matte with mica, which is, it just gives off a glittery, not too much glitter, but just enough for you to slay. Then we come across the hyper metallic ones. These ones are to die for. They are all buttery, and I cannot wait to swatch them for you guys. So let's just dive in. We're gonna start with all of the flat matte colors. I'm gonna swatch them for you. By the way, this look is compliments of this palette, if you were wondering. Drop it in the comments. Let me know if you want a tutorial on that bad boy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch all of the flat matte colors so that you can get an idea of the wide range matte colors, in this palette. So let me just swatch them all right here, and I will be right back. Guys, we have swatched all of the flat matte colors. You see this one is that white one. These are all of the flat matte colors in the 35O palette. These are just so lovely. Now I do have to mention that these flat matte colors are a little powdery, but a little added blending will take you far. I have this color in my crease, and of course I went in with this color as my transition, and this one just to bam it. The next formula we're going to be talking about is flat matte with mica. Now mica is an ingredient that they use to give off that glittery moment. I love a good glitter. So we are going to dive right back into this palette. Now there are only a few shades that are Mica Infused, so we are just going to wash these swatches off and dive into the next one. I will show you what I mean by the mica finish in just a second. Let me wash these off and I will be right back. Guys, we are cleaned and ready for more swatches. So the next formula we're going to be diving into is these two right here. These are the only two in this palette that are of a different formula. These are the Mica Infused formulas. First glance, when you open up this palette, you will notice extra on the top layer, an extra poof of mica glitter. Want to swatch that the first time just to get down into that second layer so that you can see what I mean. So let's just swatch these two for you. so that you can see what I mean. So at first glance, yes, these do look matte, but watch this. See how it gives a glittery? You won't see it until you put it on your face. I promise you, you won't see it. Those are not matte colors. They're not. They have a different finish. You learn something new every single day. Guys, moving on to our third and final formula in this palette, which is Hypermetallic. That is my favorite formula for lid toppers. They're just great. They go on smooth. They're like butter. It's great. I'm super excited to show you these shades. So let's just jump right into it. So the first shade that I want to show you guys is this color right here. But at first glance, this color right here looks like a light peachy color. Look at it, love it, love it. Now watch. Right? Oh my God, I'm just now picking up my mouth off of the floor. It is still a peachy color, but like I said, it is hypermetallic, which means that you will blind them, girl. You will blind them. I was gonna swatch these off camera, but I'm super excited to let you guys know about hypermetallic. It is the best formula ever made. Super excited. Okay, so this one is my favorite. God, when you dig your finger in it, it's like, oh, butter. All right, let's see if you can see this one. Going into the next color, which is going to be this dark brown with a gold hue to it. See how she swatches. It's like butter. Let's dive into another color. All right, let's do this gold color, because you know me, I'm all about golds and reds and love and kisses and affection. All right. Oh my God, that one is hello. We are freaking here and ready to party. Into our fifth color is another gold. This one is slightly darker, has a bit more of a copper tone to it. And she is lovely. Are you guys as excited as I am? Drop a comment and let me know. Into the next color. Now this one is more of a auburn copper color. Has a little bit of gold, you know, after effect to it. Again, all of these are hypermetallic pigments. Beautiful. This one is by far my favorite. I have it on my lid as a topper. This is a creamy color with a rose gold hypermetallic pigment to it. So this one's oh my God. Wow. All right. Now this one is lovely. This is a darker color. Again, with those same gold tones to it. I'm just going to put this one right here and see how she works. So now let's go in with this last color. We're almost done. It's lovely. All right, let's just, oh, I'm running out of room. All right, let's try it right here. Ooh. It's just amazing. Amazing. If you don't already have this palette, my suggestion is to run out right now and go get it. This palette is so lovely. Now, I do have to say again, so all of you will understand, the flat matte colors, they are a little extra powdery, but just a couple added blended strokes and you're good to go. Like, this palette all around is a good neutral toned palette. I love it. Forget that at 100 subscribers, you will catch my husband in full prom glam. I might even be able to get him to try this new product that I just picked up, Milani, and she is lovely. I will be touching base on this product in my next video, so don't miss out. Bye, guys.
Subscribe to my channel.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.